Hey, it's Spencer. I'm out here in the sugarcane zone. We're just going to show you a little bit about what we're working on today. It's a little bit hard to see through here, but in this zone here we've got a bunch of different sugarcanes planted. We kind of worked some of this zone the other day. Pretty overgrown. Don't really have many trees in there. We have a couple citrus. We've got some jelly palms. We've got a grapefruit. A little during over here, a little bit out of the zone though. But here's the cane zone. We'll just come through, walk this path after we work it so we can actually see. But yeah, just a bunch of overgrowth. It's been a little while since we managed this. Got some lemons coming in. There's a couple moringas out here. That's really about it though. And then we've got a potato bean over there that we're really excited about. That's supposed to be fast growing, quick producing erythrina that has a edible large seed that's very delicious. Basically tastes like a potato, so it's very interesting product, or not product, fruit tree. So yeah, we'll do a time lapse showing the zone, but super hard to see what's going on here right now. All right. We just finished working this back zone here, the sugarcane zone. I'm going to show you around a little bit, show you what's happening over here. First off though, let's check out what our harvests are. So we harvested some peppers. These are heatless habaneros. So they have the habanero flavor but with no heat, so that's just a nice little one. We like to add them to our mash. And then we've got some sugarcane here. So these are all different varieties. We've got a nice stripy one. We've got a hairy one. We've got two different yellow-green ones. Got kind of this green banded one, this brown banded one. Got another green one in here. Got a purple one. Got a hairy one. And then we got this one here. Actually, there's a couple of duplicates in there. So yeah, we're taking some of those out. I'm gonna go share them with a friend so that he can get some of these canes going at his place. Then let's go ahead and check out what's going on in here. So first of all, we've got our jelly palm here, Boodia. We have two of them, one over here and one over there. And then for the most part, we don't have too many trees in here. I mean, we always tuck in a few trees because that's just what we do. We got a moringa here. There's a China seedling here. There's a couple ingas next to it. There's this lemon tree. Another moringa. And then we've got this, here's that potato bean I was talking about earlier, Erythrina edulis. Super exciting, pretty fast growing. Plant's probably not even 4 months old. Let's check it out. So we got a lot of tea leaf in here. We really like tea leaf. It's a nice ornamental plant, good biomass plant. Got a bunch of different varieties in here. We really like our diversity within species. Nice bright pink one, kind of a little variegated one. You know, so ooh, this one's a nice pretty one. So lots of mulch plants. We got different sugar canes. So here's where those other canes came from. Nice banded one. Another nice banded one. I think this is actually a different variety in the same clump. Yeah, so not a lot happening in here, just some sugarcane. Basically, we were trying to keep this, sorry, let me change the lighting. Keep this zone kind of extra sunny for the sugarcane so that we don't lose the sugarcanes, because we have so many trees everywhere that we really do lose certain things that need a lot of sunlight. It's really hard to keep managed, stay on top of some of these plants because they're really fast growers. So we kind of gave this a dedicated zone where it can kind of keep some sunlight for a while. We do have a grafted mango over there, and then this potato bean, like I was saying. So it's really just those are our longer term species with the citrus there. So hopefully we can keep the canes here for a few years. We might have to move them around again. It's just kind of what we have to do with sugarcane in this reality where we have so many trees growing and not a lot of space. Trying to think if there's anything else particular. We got just a couple different peppers over here. Oh yeah, here's one of those heatless habaneros. We got another one over there. And then yeah, this is basically just kind of surrounded by a lot of different stuff going on. Got a banana over here. Got some more citrus over there. This is a little bit more of like a guild type of system. But yeah, really just sugarcane focus. All right, so that'll be it for this update. We'll see you later.